Boom! Over $1,000 in profits this morning, scalping the S&P 500 E-mini, and I caught it all live on video for you. In this trading session, I'm going to show you exactly how I use TickStrike, an auditory order flow tool used to actually hear the buying and selling pressure on the tape. Plus, I'll show you exactly how I use the Cumulative Delta to see exactly where on the chart the buyers or sellers are stepping into the market. Cumulative Delta also helps me get confirmation or spot divergences before price actually reacts. No guessing, no indicators, just pure price action and order flow. This is next level scalping, and I'm going to show you how it's all done. Let's jump into the action. Okay, as you can see here, we have the order flow by TickStrike on the left and the right. We have all the top stocks in the S&P 500 on the left. And we have ES, the Tick, and the VIX on the bottom right. Obviously, when it's red, there's selling pressure, and when it's blue, there's buying pressure. I started this video with $227 in profits, but don't worry, I'll give that back here shortly, and we'll start from scratch. As you can see in the Cumulative Delta down below, lots of selling taking place.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, now you can see I got into those first orders on the pullback after we broke.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have 8 contracts now, micros.
Order filled.
Just covered 2.
Order filled. Order filled.
I start scaling out.
Order
That's
filled.
when you start selling down again. There's a big buy there. I think I got out. See the buyers stepping in, but could be just a little bit
Order
of a
filled.
reprieve.
Order submitted.
Got in
Order
long there.
filled.
2 micros, 4 micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
6,
Order submitted.
covered 2.
Order filled.
Closed out.
Order
Small loss
filled.
there.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Got back in, short,
Order filled.
6 micros here.
Order filled.
Now we have a little bit of buying pressure. I have 10 micros now.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Took a loss. Going long now. So I'm break even.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
So I'm back to $76 in profit. You can see
Order filled.
going
order
long
filled.
again. You see how I get in on the bid on the pullbacks of the direction that the pressure is in. You can see the cumulative delta, lots of buying stepping in.
Order submitted. Order filled.
But if I realize there's a switch in momentum, I need to get out ASAP. I have 10 micros now.
Order submit. Order fill. Order fill. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, back up to 265 in profit. So just went from 0 to 265 pretty much in that last trade or two. Back where I started. You can hear the buying pressures slow down, right? TickStrike really lets us know when the buyers are stepping in actively and aggressively,
Order submitted.
and when they're not.
Order canceled.
All right, now I'm looking to get short here. I canceled it. Now there's another screen with a bunch of levels that you can't see, unfortunately. I'm focusing primarily on order flow in this video. So you can see that huge buying candle on the Cumulative Delta. Over 1,000 contracts in this 1 5-minute con. Now, I can't see my other screen because I'm recording this voiceover after the fact, but I'm assuming I'm waiting for it to get up to that 620 level for a short, is what I'm thinking. Quick scalp short. Mixed market. Mix of buying and selling in the S&P. So it goes nowhere. More buying coming in. VIX. Now the VIX is reversed.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have it
Order
inversed,
filled.
so when
Order
the VIX is
filled.
going down,
Order filled. Order
right,
filled.
scaling into that short, and then boom, there it was, just like that. I'm at 357. That quick. we're coming up on the 10-minute mark in this session, and I'm sitting at around $357 in profit. My entire trading session lasted about 45 minutes.
Order filled. Order filled.
Going short. Seller stepping in. 4 micros.
Order filled. Order filled.
If there's all that selling and it's not moving fast enough, I'm worried that there's a lot of absorption taking place. Passive buying. But looks like it overcame it. It's picking up now. I missed it. That's all right.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Going short again.
Order filled. Order submitted.
On the pullbacks.
Order
I
filled.
don't like the tick
Order
ticking up
filled.
like that.
Order filled.
I'm at 16 micros now. My max is 20.
Order filled.
So 2 E-minis will be my max size.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Took a little risk off there. Took a little more risk off. So I got 12 micros here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Added. Added.
Order filled. Order filled.
Added. Okay, now I'm at max size. 20 micros. In terms of risk management, the most I can lose on the day is $1,000. It's set to liquefy me if I go negative 1,000. But still pretty bearish on this. This is just a little pullback in what is seemingly heavy selling pressure. I'm always very wary of the short squeeze, but light buying. But also there's buying happening and it's not going up, so that means I'm seeing passive sellers on the offers. A lot of that buying is being absorbed. Here we
Order
go.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
When I cover into the weakness, now I'm up $500. More selling pressure coming in.
Order filled.
And I went long. What I'm seeing here is a divergence. So the cumulative delta
Order
in the middle
filled.
has made a new low, but the price is not.
Order filled.
So that
Order
means there's
filled.
absorption taking place at this level.
Order filled.
So I do expect a little bounce. I'm not expecting a huge reversal, but we can get a little bounce when there's so much absorption taking place. Price has still not made a new low, and the cumulative delta is going much lower.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I'm at 14.
Order submitted.
Lots of selling taking place here.
Order filled.
$16. Okay, we get a little tick. Still got some selling on the equities. But it's not really moving all that much. There's a lot of selling taking place and the price is holding up pretty good. So that looks like absorption.
Order filled.
I have 60 micros, pretty close. Oh, now I start to cover pretty much immediately. Took a little risk off. Big battle between buyers and sellers here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
You notice how I place the orders on the ask. These are not market orders.
Order filled.
Usually getting filled on the bid or the ask. And I just went long again as the buying steps in.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled.
Okay, well, nothing that impressive. All those at work for 40 bucks.
Order filled.
Okay, everything's lighting up like a Christmas tree. Trying to grab some of that momentum.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm at 16 micros here. Pretty close to max size.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
There we go. Now I'm at 656, and we're about 20 minutes into the trading. $650 in 20 minutes is not bad.
Order submit. Order filled. Order filled. Order
Okay,
filled.
long again. You notice I'm sizing up a little faster now that I've built a little bit of a cushion. Also, the tighter the range.
Order filled.
All right, I'm at 10 micros. I'm not liking this right here. I remember this trade. But if you look at the cumulative delta, still have a pretty decent divergence, and selling volume is slowing down. I definitely don't like that. Now I'm thinking about getting out. If we don't start seeing some buyers step in here again, I'm going to have to cut this one. But luckily, I'm only 10 micros in. One mini. Nothing too huge. Alright, this is about the halfway point in the session. I'm about flat now between what I realized and unrealized. So I've given up my cushion, and that's why I'm still a little comfortable in this trade. If it goes lower though, I'd probably cut it. You'll notice I'm not adding though. I have, I could still add another 10 micros, but I'm not. It's when it's working against me like this, you don't want to average in usually. I need it to bounce here, and I don't want to go deeper red. I can cut this thing still and just have a small loss and just lose my cushion. But again, a lot of absorption taking place here. So I'm still hanging in. All right, I'm liking this a little bit. This is our first real buying stepping in. You can see on the cumulative delta. So that made me happy. Feeling a little relieved right here. As you can see how powerful between the TickStrike, auditory noises, and the cumulative delta, how you can really get a read on the order flow. And the waves of buyers and sellers, and getting a feel for absorption or momentum in either direction.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
And I'm trying to get out on the ask. Already down to 2 micros now.
Order filled.
And I just closed it. So we're at 678. And these buying candles are typically, trapping the bulls. Probably a combination of a bull trap and shorts covering. Alright, there's a little over 15 minutes left in the session. I know I take a break here shortly. In the next minute or two, I turn it off and I turn it back on. And I think I'm at like 7:20 or something like that, but we'll see. Took one more trade with the camera off, but not a huge difference. So currently standing at 678 in profits. Goal is $1,000 in less than an hour. Sellers stepping back in. Okay, I think I take the break here in the next minute, so I'll keep an eye out for that. Okay, so there I just turned it off, turned it back on. I took 1 or 2 more trades during that period. So now I'm up 760. Chart hasn't changed all that much. We broke those lows. Hasn't been all that long. And about 15 minutes left in this trading session for me. It's roughly 10, 30, 35, 340, 1040. So mostly I'm just sitting waiting for some buying or selling pressure. Doesn't matter to me the direction. I am also keeping an eye on the levels per my strategy. So I just went short. Now I'm trying to get in on the pullback. I saw a seller stepping in on the cumulative delta, making new lows, confirming the selling. Only got filled 2 micros.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Got out. We're at 775. You know, I'm not seeing the follow through. So now we got buyers coming in into the tech stocks. That's not conducive of the sell-off. I need to wait. So everything about this says selling pressure. The only way I would get in long here is if we hit a major level, and I was looking for a quick pop. If I'm not joining this, that means I'm probably looking at a specific level to catch a bounce, a quick bounce. We're probably heading south into a level that I don't want to short into. Stepping in there.
Order filled.
Yep. So I'm going along here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That was nice. All right, I'm up $812. Little base hits, guys. They add up, even with micros. Doesn't take long with this type of scalping. You wait. There's nothing happening, there's nothing to do. This is how people get chopped up. I want to join the order flow. So I would probably take a short there. Now I can't see the levels, so there might be a level right there that I'm not looking to short into. It's interesting when you rewatch your trading setups you might have taken or not have taken. Okay, there's only 10 minutes left, so we're going to hit another $188 here shortly. Yep. I just put my cursor over the level. I think it's 55.71 is the level I'm looking at. Pretty darn close to it. I think we're really close to a major level.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yep, getting in long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, 846. See how quickly I got in and out on that burst of buying? Can't sit around. That's how quick it happens. This is real live order flow. Had some buyers step in, and just like that, they were gone. That's why I get in and out so quick.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
Getting in on the bid. Okay, 891. Looks like there's buyers stepping in here. If we get one more good push down, I would probably size up pretty
order
fast.
Submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Getting in on the bids. Working the bid here. Now I'm at 8. 55.80 3/4. Now if it continues to drop here, I can scale in still. Gotta save myself some room to that max size. Because I am watching that lower 70s level. And there's only about 5 minutes left. So I'm gonna make things happen pretty quick here.
Order filled.
All right, now I'm gonna probably scale up aggressively here. If there's a level there. Like 3 minutes.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Lots of sellers trying to get back in on these pullbacks just like I do. But sometimes they just cannot hold back the buyers. I'm just sitting here at half size still.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
There we go, 9:46. There's only about 90 seconds left, so assuming I take one more quick trade here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Yep, going long again.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Getting
Order
in on the bid
filled.
on the pullbacks.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Looking for the continuation of these buyers.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submit. Order filled. Order filled.
That's it. $1,070, guys. Just like that. 45 minutes on the dot. And there it is, over $1,000 in just 45 minutes of scalping, straight from reading order flow, just like a pro. TickStrike combined with Cumulative Delta equals game changer. If you're not using these tools, you are missing out on a huge edge in trading the market. If you got value from this breakdown, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on those notifications so you never miss that next trade. Also, drop a comment below. Are you using order flow tools? What's your go-to strategy for trading futures? Let's talk. Trade smart, trade strong. I'll see you in the next video.